Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about MikroTik wireless. If we want to configure MikroTik wireless, then we should ensure that in our MikroTik router has a wireless card. Moreover, we configure MikroTik wireless for connect the device wirelessly. So how to configure MikroTik router wireless? First of all, you should go to the MikroTik router. Then you can see there is a wireless option. Just enable it. I write down all of the step by step. So just go to the wireless, then just enable it. Click select and just click here. Then you can see your wireless LAN card is enabled. Just double click here, then go to the wireless. There is a mode. You can select here AP bridge mode. Then you can set name here. There is a default name is SSID is MikroTik. You can change the name, like you can give the name MTCNA. If you click apply and OK, then you can see your SSID is showing. If you want to check it, just go to your mobile or your laptop, then you can see there is a new SSID. You can see there is our SSID, right? Great. But this is the public SSID right now. So if you want to create a password when people are going to connect your wireless router, so that they need password. So how to configure password? Just go to the security profile. Then create plus. Then you can set a name MTCNA, password. You can give the name anything, no issues. Then you can set the password here. I am just giving test basis password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then apply. OK. Then you should again go to the Wi-Fi interface. Then you should click here. Then you should go to advanced mode. Finally, you can see a security profile. Just click, and from drop down menu you can select your password, then apply. OK. Now if you go to the wireless section, so then you can click here. Then you can see they ask you for password, right? So if you want to connect the device, so you need wireless password. Okay, great. Now we just enable wireless router and set password. So no IPSN still assign. So that how we can assign IP address? We say some people are connected with cable, some people connected with mobile or laptop. If you want to serve all of the people, like wire connected people, wirelessly connected people, right? If you want to give them service, both of the group of people, then you should create a bridge. Then you should include wireless and wire here. Let's see how you can create it. Just go to the bridge, then you can create a bridge. Apply. OK. Then you can add ports. Just click plus. Then there is a WLAN, right? Wireless LAN. You can just select apply. OK. Then again click plus. Then you should select your LAN port. Apply. Here our LAN port Ethernet to apply. OK. Then So this port now connected in bridge, that's why it's disconnected. No issues, just click reconnect, it will be connected again. Okay, then you should create a DHCP server. Which port? Again bridge port, right? Because now Ethernet 2 as well as wireless LAN both are assigned in bridge port, right? So before going to this step, I need to change as well as the IP address. Then Ethernet 2 assigned as a LAN port, but now our LAN port added in bridge, so that you should change here. Then go to the IP DHCP server, then go to the DHCP setup, then select bridge port, then just next, finish. Right? Okay, now let's see our wireless is working or not. So that you can click here, then you can see your SSID, just click here, then it's asking for password. Okay, then just who actually connected over your in your wireless. So how you can check? Just you can go to the wireless, then you can see actually registration table. Yes, now one device is connected.